Legal Dictation Exercise 66 Start. The counter affidavit reveals that the petitioner's husband died on account of cancer. Full stop. The respondents have tried to justify the rejection of the petitioner's husband application on the ground that the petitioner has received terminal benefits amounting to rupees 21,65,221 towards Provident Fund, gratuity, encashment of the Death Relief Fund, etc. Full stop. The respondents have further tried to justify the rejection of the petitioner's husband application on the ground that the petitioner's husband could not fulfill the procedural requirement of the scheme, namely that he was required to fill the form accepting the report of the medical board and accepting the payment of full and final settlement or past and future liability, including the scheme for reinstatement and other benefits for this purpose. Full stop. A memorandum of settlement was also required to be signed by the employee, which the petitioner's husband could not do so as he was in a semi-conscious stage and was unable to append his signature. Full stop. The respondents thus contended that since the petitioner's husband could not fulfill the procedural requirement under the scheme, his claim for premature retirement was rejected. Full stop. Para. Having heard the learned counsel for the parties and having examined the scheme and the format of settlement that was required to be signed by employee, we find that the onus was totally upon the respondents company to examine the medical report and pass an appropriate order on it. Full stop. The main criteria under the scheme is that a conclusion was required to be arrived at as to whether the employee could continue to do the job, for which he was engaged. Full stop. This conclusion is to be passed on the basis of the medical report. Full stop. The medical report indicates that the petitioner's husband was not fit to continue for the job in which he was engaged. Full stop. The medical report has not been disputed by the respondents company. Full stop. The opinion given by the medical board in fact has been accepted by the respondent company. Full stop. The mere fact that the petitioner's husband was not in a position to sign any further document could not allow the company to reject his application on a technicality. Full stop.